a wet one out here today, guys. Back here with Deerezilla. We're at the great Stave Lake. Show the people Stave Lake. My camera guy Nick said, "Hey, you gonna bring your helmet down here?" I said, "No, I'm gonna bring a life jacket." The lake's pretty high, as you guys can see. And as you guys can see here, we got Deerezilla back. And Tank Trap beat Deerezilla, but we're gonna see if Deerezilla can beat Stave Lake mud flats. Try this. Oh. I cannot see anything. I feel like I just gained 15 pounds. Okay, look at this.
Oh my.
Didn't break an axle yet. Pretty good. I'm gonna clean up here. This is awful, I can't see. Oh my god, I have like 15 pounds of mud on me. Oh, man.
Look at your side of your face.
I need to like wash off or something. I gotta like clean myself. Hold on guys, we'll be right back. Got all cleaned up. So you know, for like all of you who ever complain about getting VIs or tire poke and whatnot, well, this is why, because then like the mud goes in your face and then you can't see. Next mod coming, fender flares. Hey, I need help! I need help! Rescue on the way!
I'm not climbing in there though.
Oh, just give me the line! We completed one task of being out here with Deerezilla. Get her stuck and swamped in a mud hole. That didn't take too long being here. Now I gotta be winched out by Nick. Say hi to Nick, everyone. Oh my goodness Christ. Oh yeah! Winch me out, man!
They're coming in plot with the winch.
Oh, put my glove on. Okay, we're good. Okay. You gotta clean the dish. Ready, Nick? Okay.
Hey, look, it's clean now.
Yeah,
It's clean.
except for
You
me.
should do the same thing.
Oh yeah, you think so? You think I should swim across
Yeah,
this?
just hop in.
Oh yeah?
Rinse
I
off.
think so. I think it'd be a nice little swim.
Do it for the lake.
So, got stuck once. Deerezilla does not float. Thanks guys for watching again. If you guys want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you guys want, check out my other videos. Give me a like. Go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I'm on there. Thanks for watching guys.